Hello, I'm Rochelle Gridley, and I'm going to show you today how to use the new Pantagraph Negatives collection. Start by using Google Chrome or the Safari browser. These browsers work best with the archive. Start at the Museum of History. Choose Research, then Resources, and scroll down to find the Pantagraph Negative collection. This links you directly with the Illinois Digital Archives, and here you can see that you are in the collection of Pantagraph negatives. On the right is this search bar. I'm going to start my search by looking for a named person. If you are looking for a specific person, go ahead and enter their name. There are 5,700 people and more identified in the collection. Mr. Welmerling was a mayor during the 30s. I'm choosing a photo that will allow us to explore all the different facets of the collection. On the image is a double-handled arrow. This allows you to enlarge the image to fill your screen. And then on the left-hand side are zooming buttons. Click on those to enlarge the photo to see all the detail. You can leave the image again by clicking the X on the right. The download button is here on the right. Just use that to download an image and share it on Facebook or share it with your friends in an email. Scroll down to see the metadata, which explains the image. We'll start with the title, which is the name given to the image by the photographer. The photographer in this case was Joseph C. Green. He created this photo on January 17, 1935. The subject people heading contains the names of any people who are identified by name in the image. They are always named in order of left to right. The subject places heading tells us where this image was created. This image was created on East Street. The subject topics heading tells us what the image is about. It's about police and their weapons and police and their automobiles. The description tells us that the police and mayor are inspecting a radio cruiser. I'm going to click on the East Street link. And you can see that we have found 37 images, all created on East Street. Not all of the images have been tagged with their location, and we are looking for the public to assist us in making these connections. I'm going to make another search right now, and in this search I'm going to combine two different ideas. Women, I'm going to use a connecting word, and military. By connecting these and searching, I'm going to find women who were in the military during World War II and women interacting with men in the military. Now, many people are unnamed in the collection, but you can search for them by looking at images of places or things they might be associated with, such as the military. You can search for groups like American Legion or the Women's Bureau or the Tridettes and Mitzies to find people associated with those organizations. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see these the sidebar, which has subject people, and it has different names that are associated with the images that are appearing here. And then there are also the subject topics. You can explore those and see if there are topics there that you find interesting. And you could even do a separate search for one of those topics. Right now, the search would be limited to the military, women, and chocolate industry. So what did the chocolate industry have to do with women in the military? And we see that it's images about the Little Sisters, pen pals for military men. So that's one way to search for people who are unnamed in the collection. You can also search for places. You can search for a place like Lincoln, Illinois, if you're looking for information about Lincoln. When you do this search, you're going to find that Lincoln brings up images for the city of Lincoln and the high school, and also Abraham Lincoln or buildings named after Lincoln, or even the Lincoln Grade School. So you can just type Lincoln again, add the word and then put in Logan. If you really want just Lincoln, Illinois in Logan County. And now you've limited your search to searches about Lincoln, Illinois in Logan County by using that double name search. There are images from 22 different counties in the collection. I hope that this tutorial on using the basic search will help you in exploring the collection. The museum is very interested to learn more about these photos from the public. When you can identify a person or a place in an image, email images@mchistory.org and we will add the information to the image record. Thank you for listening.